plan on affordable housing.
You've got Tyler Alley, CEO of Rose City Partners.
Tyler Riddell, co-founder of Something Good Consulting Group.
And Brendan White, Senior Manager at Arcosa.
And today we're going to talk about how affordable housing is really an issue that's affecting the entire country and Texas specifically. The best way to look at affordable housing and its issue is really to compare it to the minimum wage and how many hours you need to work in order to afford something that's considered affordable. The National Low Income Housing Coalition publishes a report every year that basically says that in Texas, in order to afford a house, your average 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom house in Texas, you need to be able to work 95 to 115 hours a week, which just isn't acceptable here in Texas. There are a few organizations that we highlighted about who's tackling this program, and we wanted to look at organizations focused on a couple of things. One is housing and employment resources, 2 is development of new housing, and 3, a really important piece is organizations that give individuals the opportunity to engage with those seeking affordable housing. One of those is the next organization called Back on My Feet, which again is important to allow individuals to engage with those seeking affordable housing so that when housing projects come to their area, they're more likely to support them if they know someone who's living in a shelter or is looking for an affordable home.
The second organization is Habitat for Humanity, Conn County, and they're dedicated to substandard housing, eliminating substandard housing through renovations and building new buildings or houses. And you can get involved in a variety of ways, such as their fund programs, corporate sponsorships, or the traditional volunteer donation. The third organization is My Second Chances, and they're more on the supportive services in a crisis. You can get involved with either donating money or supplies. You can look up the supplies on their website or through traditional volunteer programs as well as their skills-based volunteers. So this means that whatever your day job or even your hobby, they need your help.
Another organization is Our Calling. They're an organization that specializes in leading the homeless population out of their current circumstances toward a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. Probably one of their most notable things that they do is they hand out booklets. You can purchase them on their website, and it's something I've actually done, and you can give them out to homeless people, and it shows them different places that they can go to get things like shelter, food, etc. And lastly is City Square. So they're an organization that focuses on a large variety of services for addressing poverty in the areas of hunger, health, and housing. So a couple things you can do to get involved. You can donate money and supplies on their website, or you can jump into their volunteer events. They've also got some mailing lists that you can hop on as well. And so with that, here are some links where you can learn more about these organizations. If you have any questions about these topics or the different organizations that we mentioned, just refer to the white paper and the organizational websites that we've provided. Thank you.
Nice.
All right.